This is another weather update. We're forecasting our next big storm, Winter Storm Landon, looking at the European model right now. For Tuesday, an area like St. Louis and central Missouri with this upcoming winter storm, we're going to see mostly a day of rain since the temperatures are going to be high because of that low pressure in the southeast. Bringing up that Gulf moisture and those above average temperatures. But as that first wave of the storm, there's going to be two waves of the storm. Winter Storm Landon is its name. Two waves of the storm. That first wave, according to the European model, comes in Wednesday early morning, and we're going to have a brief period of freezing rain, that wintry mix that could be pretty significant south of St. Louis, so we're going to have to watch that. But also that those snow hazards, we're going to also have to watch that as Wednesday, not super early morning, but early morning, we're going to see that snow change, that freezing precipitation change over to snow. And that first wave is going to be when we're going to see the heaviest snow in St. Louis. Pretty much all day Wednesday, we're going to see heavy snow in central Missouri, in area like Indianapolis, central Illinois. We're going to be seeing that snow all day Wednesday, and then it kind of tapers off, and then we see that next wave getting ready to come up to an area like southern Missouri and northwestern Arkansas as we go into Wednesday night. That storm in Texas, and that's the second wave. And the European model right now is not forecasting the second wave to really affect St. Louis. So that's going to majorly affect the snow amounts in an area like St. Louis and northern Missouri. So it says that there's not going to be as much snow in that second wave, which affects those snow totals. And then as we look at the GFS model, though, this is the GFS model's second wave, and it's calling for much heavier snow on the second wave than the first wave. So we're just going to have to watch which one of these is going to be right as we go into the event, into the storm, which is going to be starting around Tuesday into Wednesday, Thursday, and getting out of an area like Missouri on Friday. We look at the snowfall amounts according to the GFS model, around a foot of snow, maybe even more as you go north of St. Louis for Winter Storm Landon, 15 inches in Kansas City. And this is because the GFS model is suggesting that we're going to see a lot more snow than what the European model is suggesting on that second wave. Than on that first wave, like the European model says. But we have that snow all the way going up into Cleveland, Chicago getting in on that snow, central and northern Indianapolis, and northern parts of Indianapolis getting in on that snow, southern Michigan and central Illinois getting in on that heavy snow. Now, the European model, only 4 or 5 inches for right now is forecasted for St. Louis. That's those heavier amounts of snow are more south because the European model does suggest for that more southern track for Winter Storm Landon. But still, we got those 8 to 10 inches in Ohio, Indiana, parts of Illinois, and southern Missouri. Northwestern Arkansas looks to be the bullseye, and an area like Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania is going to be the bullseye, is what's looking like for the European model. So I'll just have to keep you updated on this. Subscribe, go follow me on Twitter, because this is all going to change. We are a few days out, but we're not that far out. It's starting Tuesday, so I'll keep you guys updated on this. Subscribe, go follow me on Twitter. Link will be in the description.